Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2007 Subaru Impreza, stock reference number 7425. This shape runs from the 4th month 2007 through to the 11th month 2011. It has an EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has a few small dents, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has a couple of small dents, left rear door has a couple of small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, with the left hand tail light, left hand tailgate garnish, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right power door mirror, right guard has one small dent, and right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with cream cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke spring steering wheel with cruise buttons.